More scattered storms in the forecast for our Friday. The weekend not looking too bad. Over the next 3 days, we stay warm and steamy. Scattered storms on Friday, 89. A slight chance for a shower storm Saturday, 92. I think we're basically dry on Sunday, but we will be watching the Gulf, obviously, as we get into the end of the week. And more on that coming up in just a few seconds. But let's go ahead and check out our time lapse from Tupelo earlier today. A few showers moving on through, some thunder showers too. That was earlier this afternoon. Let's go back to Louisville. We showed you this at 5. Scattered showers and storms moving through Louisville today. In some spots, you got a good downpour. Some spots missed out completely. But if you got underneath one of those things today, you certainly know these storms this time of year can produce a lot of rain and some lightning. Most of us not getting anything right now, but we do have a couple of storms redeveloping back to the northwest, just to the east of Clarksdale. A little thunder shower there. And also up here, just to the southeast of Memphis. East of Collierville, look at that thing right there. Some large hail possible. Heavy rainfall lightning. This is moving to the east-southeast, slipping into North Mississippi. So we'll watch that storm cell right now. There's another batch up there near Jackson, Tennessee, producing some severe weather too. But not a lot of active weather expected this evening overall, and those storms we just showed you in general should tend to dissipate this evening, but some of that could carry over into tonight and tomorrow morning. We may wake up to a few showers or storms around, and then much like today, scattered showers and storms likely during the afternoon and early evening hours on our Friday as we stay warm and humid across the entire region. This is our forecast for you Friday. Mississippi and Alabama in the upper 80s to lower 90s. All right, let's go ahead and get the latest on Tropical Depression Cristobal right now. This has moved ashore, spinning around down here, very unorganized, very weak. Right now, it is over land, and it will remain that way in the near term, but we suspect that circulation will get back out into the open Gulf this weekend and strengthen a little bit back into a tropical storm, approach the Louisiana coast by sometime Sunday, and then the remnant low will track back to the west, it would appear, into Louisiana and Arkansas. And that nudge back to the west is because an area of high pressure will develop to our northeast, and that will direct it back to the west. But we'll be on the eastern side of it. There'll be a fair amount of tropical moisture coming on in with that system regardless of where it goes. So somewhere in Louisiana, western Mississippi, Arkansas, maybe our area, there could be some very heavy rainfall, maybe even a little bit of severe weather too. Always on the eastern side of these circulation centers, there's a better chance for heavy rain and even an isolated tornado threat. So that would be sometime Monday into Tuesday for our area, the remnants of whatever actually comes ashore by early next week. But tomorrow, scattered summer storms, upper 80s to around 90. Here's your AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Lower 90s for the weekend. Overnight lows very warm, upper 60s, low 70s. And again, we'll just watch what happens early next week. Joey?